sights and discoveries that await you in this fascinating area of London. The Emirates airline is the latest way to cross the Thames. Rising to 90 metres at its peak, it's also the highest. But in 1843, hidden from view just beyond the buildings of Canary Wharf, a Thames crossing opened that was 23 metres below the river's surface.
We are now sitting in the grand entrance hall to the 8th wonder of the world. This is Isambard King of Brunel's first project. It's the first tunnel under a river anywhere in the world. Today, it is the oldest tunnel in the London Underground. It opened in 1843 as a pedestrian tunnel. And you have to remember, the idea of walking under a river the size of the Thames is like walking on the moon. And on the first day, there are 50,000 visitors and the village from the house, a patriotic museum. Next day, this was the world's most successful visitor attraction. What Brunel did here, he created a cage for the miners to work in. This is the worst job in the world. They are showered in sewage, but they only work 2-hour shifts. They collapse.
Looking east, away from the city, you can see another impressive feat of British engineering, the Thames Barrier. It's one of the largest movable flood barriers in the world and has been protecting London for more than 30 years.
The original design criteria was to protect against the 1 in 1,000 floods in the year 2030. So they used the data they had available and they projected that into the future, and they built extra safety margins in, and it looks like we'll be okay until 2070. The barrier is composed of 10 gates, the largest of which are 3,300 tonnes, approximately a third of an Eiffel Tower's worth of metal in each one, and they rotate into position. The barrier protects against an area of land with about 1.25 million people. If you're walking along the south bank, if you can imagine another 3.5 metres of concrete obstructing your view, that's what the barrier protects against.
The Port of London has been a centre for trade since Roman times. By the 1800s, it was the busiest port in the world, and a series of huge enclosed docks were built, surrounded by high walls, to protect cargo from thieves and pirates. The docks stretch from Tower Bridge to City Airport, and the Museum of London Docklands is preserving the history of this crucial trading hub.
The building we're sitting in was built in 1802. When it was built, it was the biggest warehouse in the world. The Romans first settled on the Thames, obviously like the older Romans, and all throughout history it's always been a trade. There was loads and loads of boats. In actual fact, it's a gibbet cage. It wasn't executed in the gibbet cage, it was hung, and then it would have been cut down, and then it would have been put into the gibbet cage. And there was accounts of 45 bodies hanging right in the foreshore. So as the ship were coming in, it was like until this is not happening to you. Whereas it's made of very infrastructure. If you can't start pushing it out and taking it home, you can come to this area, you can walk around and we can see where all these things happen.
The East End docks have undergone major redevelopment in recent decades. Royal Victoria Dock is now home to Excel London, one of the largest exhibition centres in Europe. King George V Dock has become the grounds for City Airport. The Royal Albert Dock to the north of the airport is next for redevelopment.
Royal Albert Dock used to be the commercial centre for the British Empire. Beef used to come from Argentina and places, and it went on trains into London. This was the meat store and the meat press came off the ships. This is going to be an Asian business port. Companies from Asia will be able to settle their headquarters and trade. City Airport will allow business people to travel to and from European cities right here in London. Business leaders will be able to attend meetings in Paris, and William Chowders will be back at their desks here in London. When this complex is finished, there will be 20,000 people employed in this area. And we'll be invigorating this area, we'll bring it alive again. It really is going to be very exciting.
Down below, the River Lee flows into the Thames on its northern bank. after rising near Luton, more than 40 miles away. The lower River Lee Valley has a rich history of engineering innovation, with more industrial achievement on a small geographical site than anywhere else in the world.
The history of this area, of course, has been about entrepreneurs and innovators and also entrepreneurs who built the royal docks. The Lower Lee Valley is where my family and its electrical experience. Just across the road here is where Brunel built the biggest shipping road in Minister. This place, of course, is of this country. The post-industrial revolution, the electronic technological revolution, began in the Lee Valley in 1904 by a man called Professor Ambrose Fleming, and he invented a thing called the dial valve. All electronic gizmos we have today can be traced back to this single, simple device. The first jet airliner, the Comet, was built at Hatfield in the Lee Valley. William I. Ferguson invented the first ever colour television. We had the world's largest factory in Enfield, and the Enfield rifle was produced there. It wasn't Burton-on-Trent that made India Pale Ale. India Pale Ale was invented in London's Lee Valley by George Hodgson. So we've got a lot to thank the Lee Valley for.
Next to the Emirates airline terminal is the Crystal, a building owned and operated by Siemens. It's designed to be one of the greenest in the world. The Crystal showcases sustainable development and contains the world's largest permanent exhibition of its kind.
We are in one of the most sustainable buildings in the world. It demonstrates innovative technologies to do with generating energy by solar and ground source heat pumps. Even the water of the toilets is being recycled. This exhibition showcases existing technologies and innovation and also stimulates discovery. It tries to make people imagine how their city might look by the middle of this century.
Thank you for flying the Emirates airline. Exit here for the EXO Exhibition Centre, the Crystal, Royal Victoria Docks and the DLR. Oyster, return and single ticket holders, please arrive here, next to the lower.